Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. As you read from the title, this is a haul plus a pack with me video. अभी ना actually 7 बज रहे, so I think so most probably it's only going to be the haul right now and I'll shoot the pack with me section on some other day or maybe the day when I'm actually up for packing all of this stuff. So I am going to my dream destination. I can't believe finally I'm going to my dream destination. This place has been on my bucket list for such a long time, and no matter whatever people say about this place, I have been always and will always be excited to go to this place. Comment karo apne guesses in the comment box below ki where do you think I'm headed to. Without any further ado and without rambling any further, let's just get into the haul section of the video. Let's start with the top and the t-shirt section first. So I have the first top in my hand. It's this beautiful tank top which I got from Uniqlo. Most of the things that I've bought were on sale or still on sale. So yeah, this is a powder blue this is a powder blue tank top and it retailed for almost $790 or maybe $590, any of the two. If I still find this on the website, I'll link it below for you. This with a pair of shorts is going to look so cool and I absolutely love the fabric on this. Okay, the next I have is this shirt. This is a shirt I got from H&M and it has really cute palm prints on it. I actually wore this to Missouri as well. If you've seen that vlog, I'll link it right up here. You would have seen that I've styled it with a pair of shorts and a bralette inside, and that's how I'm going to be styling it where I'm going. And yeah, it's a really breezy fabric. This retailed for almost $14.99 if I'm not wrong, but I had some coupon, either 300 off wala coupon from H&M or the 15% off. So I availed any of the two and I didn't pay more than like $1,100 for this. So this is an investment piece for me because I don't intend to wear it every day, and this looks really cool. You must be wondering, मैंने एक भी clothing press नहीं किया, but I really didn't have the time, so bear with me please. The next top I have is this really cute mustard crisscross top from Cover Story. This was really expensive, guys. Cover Story ke clothing in general, if they are not on sale, are really expensive, and this was for almost $2,500. So yeah, this was a really expensive top. My mother doesn't really like it, but I honestly love it. I think I got some voucher and मैंने ये Nykaa Fashion से order किया था for under 1,000. I don't know how, but I simply remember मेरे पास कोई voucher था and मैंने इसको under 1,000 किया था. I would never pay $2,500 for such a basic top. But the voucher is kind of money only, but nonetheless, I got it for some performance at work, a good performance at work. So I availed that. And this looks really cute. मैंने ये भी recent trip पे पहना था, but I just love the fit and I will take it with myself for the vacation. The last thing that I got from for my upcoming vacation, not the last thing, but in the tops and tees section, the last thing I got is this cute t-shirt. This I got from the men's section of Uniqlo. ये बहुत ही recent purchase है. Most probably I bought this over this weekend only, the past weekend. आज by the way 15th August है, so happy Independence Day, and I'm flying out on the 18th. Straying away from the topic, but yeah, this is a cute t-shirt. Guess करो ये क्या लिखा हुआ है इस t-shirt पे. And men's section की जो t-shirts होते हैं, I just find men's t-shirts to be much more quirkier and much more classier than what we get. I mean, they always have better stuff, okay? So I prefer buying from the men's section, and मुझे थोड़े loose and baggy t-shirts पसंद है. So yeah, I got this in a very cute size and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the fabric on this. This was for $14.90 originally, but I got it for $9.90. I know it's really expensive for a t-shirt, but दिल आ गया इस पर. Next section is the bottom section. I just have two bottoms to show you, which I got recently, and both I got from Uniqlo on sale. I am a good shopper. I usually shop on sale only. बहुत कम when I feel like something is really exquisite and I might not get my hands on it on future. That's when I actually shell out my money. But the next is this pair of shorts. ये भी मैं actually मसूरी में पहन चुकी हूँ with that white shirt that I showed earlier. So this is how it looks, and this I got from Uniqlo as well. This was for around 15th August है, तो लोग पटाखे सब जला रहे हैं, so there's going to be a lot of background noise. Please bear with me, guys. Yeah, so this was around 2K and I got it for $14.90, I think for shorts, or $12.90, either of the two. I think for shorts this was quite a good deal, and this fits like a glove. I love the color. I already have a dark blue, so I wanted a light blue one, and here shirt is. Okay, the next pair of shorts is this cute satin shorts which almost looks like pajama shorts, but I'm not going to be wearing it as a pajama. This one was for $5.90. I don't really remember what the original price of this one was. It has a very nice functional huge pocket inside of it, and the color is really beautiful. It's steel grey, and I honestly love the fabric. It is so soft, satin वैसे भी soft होता है. And this was for पक्का for $5.90. If I find this, I'll link it below. And I absolutely love this pair of shorts. Okay, up next we have dresses, and I'm going to be showing you the 3 dresses that I got for this trip. I didn't buy a lot. The first dress is this cute cover-up kind of a thing dress. Cover-up / dress which I got from H&M. This retailed for almost $12.99. I got it in the size medium. I'm telling you the size in this one because usually ever since I've gained a lot of weight, I am fitting into large, but this was a medium and this is absolutely beautiful. ये इतना खुला सा dress है, and I intend to wear it mostly at the beach as a cover-up because this looks really cute. And even this kind of color, blue and white का combination, I love a lot. इस पे भी मैंने definitely कोई coupon लगाया होगा, मैंने full price नहीं pay किया होगा. Either a 300 off का coupon या 15% off, and I absolutely love this piece. The next dress is this square neck dress that I got from H&M, and this is a midi length dress. I actually wore this on my birthday, so I'll insert a picture right here. And this is such a beautiful dress. Not the best fabric, if I have to tell you. मुझे ना cotton fabric ज़्यादा पसंद आता है because I tend to sweat out a lot, and this is not the most comfortable fabric for me, but I love the print. This is perfect for a beach vacation. This one retailed for almost $14.99, but guys, I might not have paid that much. So this is the second dress that I got. The third dress that I've got is my absolute favorite and my most cherished purchase. I've been eyeing this dress for so many months, and when I saw this dress for the first time, it was for 4,000 rupees. I would never pay that much for a dress. I mean, for something which is basic and it's cool. It's not basic, it's cool, but something which I won't be wearing that often. But I was glad that I got a 50% off on this, and this is the dress. This is how it looks. It's a tie-up dress. Let me just show it to you properly. This is how it will look, and just check this out. It has such beautiful colors, light pink, dark pink, and mustard yellow, blue, this dark blue. This is a full length dress. I absolutely love this. I am so excited because इसमें photograph बहुत अच्छी आने वाली है, and this was for a steal. I got this for 2,000 rupees, and I absolutely adore this dress. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से इन सबको fold किया था guys, सब destroy हो गया. But yeah, this is the last dress that I got. Now let's move on to the swimwear. Okay guys, coming to the swimwear section, I bought 4 swimsuits, and I'm going to be super conscious about my body when I'm there. India में तो मैं कभी ये सब ना पहनूं, but outside my first time, I'm going to be wearing something like a swimsuit. This is going to be such a shocker, not only for me, but for everyone who knows me. So yeah, let's show you the swimwear. The first swimwear that I have is this one. So let me just get this correctly. This is the swimwear that I got. अभी ना specifically मैं इसका brand भूल गई हूँ, so I'm going to insert the name of the brand right here. This I got from Amazon at a pretty good discount. This was for 2,500 and I paid like around 1,200 or something like that. And this is a one-piece swimsuit. Not the best fabric, and इसमें पता नहीं मुझे थोड़ा sizing का issue भी लगा, but I'll manage with this. It has a really nice crisscross back, and photographs में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because it has a really cute ruffle. It's not very uncomfortable, but it's not the most comfortable swimwear that I own because I'm going to be showing you some really nice swimwear next. So this is the brand. I'll link this one in the description box below. The next swimwear I got is this one from Swimwear Shop India. This is how it looks. This is also one piece swimwear. Now I am not the most comfortable person with my belly, so one piece is something. Checking lipstick to nahi laga. Yeah, so one piece swimwear is something which I absolutely love. I think it'll look good on my body, and it has a V-neck, it has a square neck in the back, and that's how it looks. It also comes with a belt, but I'm not going to be wearing the belt. This was for about 999 or 1,400, something like that. I'll link this one in the description box as well if you are interested in this kind of a pattern. I'll show my most favorite swimwear at the end. So let's move on to the brand which I'll highly recommend for swimwear. क्योंकि इस ब्रांड का swimwear is so comfortable and it sells out really fast during sales. So I got a two-piece. Under say I'm shaking right now because I'm going to be wearing a two-piece. I'm not going to be posting anything in this two-piece, I guess. But this is how the bottoms look like. It's a matching set. This is how the bottoms look like. The bottoms were for around 790 or 590. मैंने दोनों ही pieces during sale लिए हैं. And this is how the bottoms look like. They're really nice, high-waisted, and they're very, very comfortable to wear. The next pair, the next part of this swimwear is this top. This will look something like this, and it has a really beautiful clasp, guys. This one, a metal clasp. I absolutely love this piece. This was for around 1200. Ye top was for 2500. So that's the deal. If you buy a two-piece swimwear, it's gonna cost you so much. So I prefer buying a one-piece because eventually uska costing jo hai, it will come lesser than a two-piece one. But I absolutely love this color and this print. So God helps me. I hope I get to wear this. I hope I don't chicken out at the last moment. The last piece of swimwear, which is my absolute favorite, has to be this one. This one I also got from Marks and Spencer. Just look at this one. It is so pretty. Pehle to the design is really nice. It has such a beautiful neck. It has padding. All the swimwear that I've bought and shown has padding, except for the one from Swimwear Shop India. इसमें कोई padding नहीं है. But this has a very nice padding, adjustable strap. It's a one piece and it is a shaping swimwear. So I hope कि ये swimwear helps me, थोड़ा delusion होगा कि मैं थोड़ा tummy मेरा tucked in है and all of that thing. ये जो था, this must have costed me anything between 1200 and 1400, but I absolutely love this piece so much. If you guys want to see the pictures and how this looks on me, you can go follow me on Instagram and you get to see all of this there. We are almost done with the clothing section. I just want to show you two of these shorts. ये ना actually I wear under my dresses, like short dresses, because you always have the fear of them flying up. This is a really old pair which I got from Ginger. I'm not sure if Ginger still sells these kind of boy shorts, but I have an alternative for you. It's from Naked by Nykaa. I got this color this time because skin color is best to be worn under even lighter dresses and stuff, lighter colored dresses. And this retailed for $2.99. It's really comfortable, very stretchable, and I love the fabric on this one. So if you're someone who's not comfortable in wearing short dresses, you should definitely go for this. Last thing I have to show you are these bralettes that I got a few months back, and all of these bralettes I got from Sold Store. I got a black, a basic blue, and a colorful one. And the fabric on this is so nice. Obviously none of these are padded and stuff. इनमें से एक bralette मैंने अपनी white वाली shirt के साथ, which I showed you earlier, उसके साथ pair किया था. And I think these were very cheap. I don't really remember how much these were for. I'll pop up the price right here somewhere on the screen. So these were really comfortable. I'll just show you one. Like, just look at this. It has a really nice band right here, and it is so comfortable. It just holds on to you properly, and it's you don't feel very sweaty on this or anything like this, and it's really nice fabric. So I hope you like the haul section of this video, and now let's move on to the packing section. Guys, good morning. So it's the day of the travel. It's 18th today, and मेरा घर पूरा mess हो रखा है. I was supposed to share a detailed packing video, but this video is already too long, so I'll just show you how and what I have packed for my trip. But you've seen most of the things, but I'll just show you, like, give you an overview of the entire suitcase. This is my suitcase. हमने actually क्या किया है? This has my clothes, my mother's clothes. I have one Uniqlo का parka right here. This is basically a pocketable parka, and it's best for extreme, to save you from extreme summers and hot weather in general. And then when you open this, so on this side I have another garment ka bag. ये मेरी बहन का है, because we've kept all the heaviest garments जो हमारे in this one, because this one has a 30 kg limit. My swimsuits, and then some toiletries right here, and एक steamer, and मेरा air tag मैंने इसी steamer के साथ लगा रखा है. So yeah, that is my suitcase. Now let me show you the carry-on bag I'm traveling with. This is the bag I'm taking as a carry-on with me, and ये छोटू सा bag just for my passport and stuff. And इसमें काफ़ी सामान है. इसमें मेरा GoPro है. I've invested in a new camera. I have my laptop right here, but I'll be leaving that with a friend. And there's some packing still left, but we'll just wind it up. I have to head to office, so let's go. If you found this video useful, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, and plan that upcoming beach vacation. I've given you another hint, so go comment down below where do you think I'm headed. Links to all these products will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. If I'm not linking a particular product, it's basically out of stock or I'm not able to find it, I'll link a similar one as and when I get time. I hope you guys love this video and stay tuned for the upcoming travel vlogs.